Hey, it's Bobbin. Welcome back to my channel. How to wind your bobbin. You need a thread and empty bobbin case. Make sure that there's no thread in the needle position while winding the bobbin. First, put the spool thread into the spool pin. Guide the thread through the bobbin winder tension disc on the upper side of the machine. Insert thread to the bobbin side hose. Push bobbin winder pin to the left. Put the bobbin on the bobbin winder pin. Push bobbin winder pin to the right. Wind the thread clockwise around the bobbin several times using the hand wheel. Cut the excess thread from the bobbin. Switch on the machine to start winding. Use your hand to guide the thread equally. Or you may wind it using the paddle. Switch off the machine to stop winding. Push bobbin away from the bobbin winder stop. Take the bobbin off the pin and cut the thread. And you're done. There you have it. You have your winded bobbin thread. Happy winding! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next one.